What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. We are back with another beautiful unboxing. We're unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, the regular version. Today we got this little periwinkle purple some soft Barney color. But this phone is not for me, it's for my wife. She has the Galaxy S10 right now. So I decided, give her a little gift and upgraded her to the Galaxy S21. But before we get into the unboxing, we're going to talk about a couple of specs real quick. You know what I'm saying? A couple of the hardware stuff that goes into this beautiful little device right here. The display is the dynamic AMOLED display, 120 Hertz. I believe that is adapted with that Gorilla Glass Victus. I believe that's how you say it for the actual screen. As far as the OS is running that Android 11 One UI 3.1, and it has that Qualcomm, oh my gosh, I can't say that, Qualcomm Snapdragon chip in there. I don't know why that word is so hard to say, Qualcomm. Anyways, moving on. The memory, there's no memory card slot. There's only that internal storage. So you got 128 gigs with 8 gigs of RAM, or you can get that 256 gigs with 8 gigs of RAM. This is the 128 gigs with that 8 gigs of RAM. And you got your camera, you got the triple camera, the wide angle, the telephoto, the ultra wide. And from what I can see, they perform pretty well, but we're gonna test those out. And then we have obviously that selfie camera on the front, that little punch out, hole punch. I likes it. And you got the fingerprint reader under the display. That's always a plus, but it doesn't really matter to me whether it's under the display or on the side. I don't care as long as it does what it's supposed to do. As far as the battery, you got a 400 milliamp battery. Can't remove it, obviously. You got fast charging, you have fast wireless charging, and you have reverse wireless charging. Big deal. I don't know if you guys use that a lot, but it's a big deal. And as far as the colors for this phone, I don't know what this is. They got a phantom gray, phantom white, phantom violet, phantom pink. The hell, I don't need no phantom Rolls Royce, Ferrari. Just name what it is: gray, white, violet, and pink. All this phantom stuff. Maybe it's a marketing tool, I don't know, but it's extra to me. But whatever. But yeah, that's the specs. As always, click that subscribe button underneath this video and hit that bell right next to it. I know you see it right next to it, so you can stay up to date. But yeah, subscribe, share, like, comment, hit that bell for notifications, and let's get into this unboxing. Got my handy dandy knife right here. Somebody told me on my last video, cut away. Not towards you. Almost chopped my damn finger off. Anyways, you're gonna slit that. And you're gonna slit that. And I already opened this box a little bit, so sorry if it's a little bubbly. Boom. And there you have it. There's the phone. You got your Samsung branding. Don't need that. You got your phone right here. I know y'all like this. Hold on. We're gonna rip this off. Get away from me. And in the back. Get away from me. But yeah, that's the phone right here. Get rid of that. More Samsung stuff. Nothing there. And in the box, I'm sure the books and stuff, USB Type C to USB Type C charging. Got plenty of these. But yeah, that is the phone. First look, hands-on. Like I said, this phone is for my wife, so we're just doing a little initial unboxing. I don't want to spoil her excitement for opening this. Let me wipe this thing down real quick. Pop. All right, man. Here's the phone. At first glance, I do like the cutout of it, the trimming of it. The build looks pretty good. I like this little color, even though, that's not my thing, but I like this color and the little gold or rose gold trimming all around it. Looks pretty nice. And then I like this little simplistic camera cutout where it's not doing too much. You got your cameras, you got their functions, that's it. It's not a big ass block right here with a damn TV, YouTube, all that, freaking Netflix screen on the back. Just your camera cutout, and that's it. A little hole punch right here, a little hole punch on the front, and that's about it. Is this powered on yet? Oh, we're gonna turn it on real quick. Boom. And we'll let that charge up. While that's loading up, I do have this Galaxy Smart Tag. When we bought this phone, they gave us like 25 bucks towards accessories, and I think this was like 27 bucks. So my wife is always losing her keys and stuff. So I got this so she can use it, so she can, I guess, track on the phone where her keys are at all times. I wish they made one of these that you can stamp on the back of the phone so she can not lose her phone, but that would defeat the purpose of it because you gotta use it from the app on the phone for whatever app it is. But well, yeah, whatever. This thing is pretty cool, I guess. I don't really lose stuff often, but this would be cool for her. Little Galaxy Smart Tag. I never even heard of this thing before, but whatever. Maybe I'm late to the party. Anyways, I already put some information in here. So we're just gonna do a quick little overview of everything, just a quick little hands-on. The review will be in a different video. So you got that lock screen. Look at that dynamic lock screen. Ooh, look at them particles, baby. Thing is slick. You got the little camera cutout. It's not the little notch right here, the little headband, whatever you want to call it. It's a nice little punch, a little hole punch. So I think this, when they manufacture this and it goes through the shop and it goes through manufacturing and they get to the camera part for the front of the screen, they take it to the little bloop section, the little bloop. That's what that hole punch is. It's the bloop. So when it's camera time, they say, hey, take it to the blip machine. They go to the blip machine. They do that. Bloop, 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 bloop. That's all it is. That's all you need. You don't need a big cutout with all that stuff in there. You just need the bloop, bloop from the blip machine and then send it on to the next part or whatever else is the process in the manufacturing. But big up to the blip machine. I'm a big fan of that. Anyways, is there notifications on there? Oh yeah, I don't have a lock screen. But yeah, look at this display. This thing is so vivid. Like I've never seen, well, I'm gonna say I've never seen, but the brightness on this phone is shockingly good. It's very, very bright. I didn't think it would be that bright. Oh, you got a little, what is this? A little notification stuff? But yeah, it seems fresh out of the box. It seems pretty smooth, I guess. I'm looking at the phone through my camera, so can't really tell how smooth it is right now, but y'all can tell me. Come on. Is that smooth or not? Or no? All right. Let's check out the camera real quick. Let's look at my camera right here. So as you can see, the camera's pretty good. It's pretty detailed. Nowadays, you're not really gonna see bad phones or cameras with bad. I'm sorry. Phones with bad cameras. Oh my God, I'm tripping today. Oh, I need to eat some solid food. All I ate was a bowl of cereal, and that was it. You are barely going to see phones with bad cameras. They're going to be at least somewhat decent or above average. So these are all. Ooh, oh my goodness! Ran up on me real quick. And all the different camera settings: the ultra wide, telephoto, etc., etc. We're gonna take that picture real quick. Boom. All right, and let's take it over to video. Oh man, look at this. Video seems pretty good, man. Can't really complain. All right, we're gonna try some browsing speeds really quick. Let's see. Go to YouTube. Listening for music. We're not listening for music. Go to YouTube. There we go. Pulls open the app. You see that on deck? Gould's Gaming and Tech. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna watch a video real quick. Let's see how this thing performs and how the videos look when you watch some videos on this bad boy. Let's see. Let me give y'all a banger. Let me give y'all a good one. Let's see. I think I was a little snappy right here. Let's see. We're gonna check it out. We can get a banger.
No, snappy.
Securing A.
All right, let's check it out. Ooh, don't with the movement. Oh, hip fire.
Oh, you trash.
Hip fire. Oh, he tapped me real quick. Set him up. Look at you, sniffing around the corner.
Enemy has Charlie.
There we go.
Damn.
Oh. He lit me up a little bit.
Securing Charlie. Enemy took Bravo.
You see the movement. I know you see the movement. I'm too nice with it. Too nice with the movement.
Oh, he slid in there with that quickness.
You know, I do a little something.
Look at you.
But yeah, as you can see, the video quality is pretty good. It lets me, I record all my gaming videos in 4K HDR, so it lets me go to 2160p 4K HDR. So it has the settings to play that video, so I definitely like that. Let's see, we're gonna go to settings. Let's see, dark mode. Let's see what this dark mode. Look at the richness. It's so subtle, so nice. But we're gonna keep it on light mode for now. I'm not gonna go through all the settings and stuff because if you have an Android phone, even if you're checking out this video, you kind of already know what's up with these phones. They have the always on display. Will it pop up? I might not have it on yet, actually. Let's see, always on display. I think that's on lock screen. Yeah, always on display. Yeah, so you got your always on display as usual per any Android phone. Your gallery, I already took some pictures right here. Y'all be able to see some of these in my review, or maybe this video actually. I took some pictures of it, but yeah, the pictures are really good. Look at that. Look at the detail. Look at the detail. Look at that. That's nice, man. I like it. But yeah, overall, man, I think this is a winner. This is for my wife again. Like I said, she has the Galaxy S10. I'm gonna do a comparison video of the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy S21. This is the 5G, obviously. I think the price on this is $669 if you get the 128 gig, and then $769 for the 256 gigs. Yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of this video, man. As always, like I said, subscribe, share, like, comment, hit that bell for notifications. I really appreciate you guys, man. You guys are hilarious in the comments. I love all the feedback. And we're gonna keep this thing pushing. We're gonna grow this channel. But I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Let's get it.